Back from grocery shopping, I'm about to make my famous chicken soup. This soup is mainly to feel saturated, to get in lots of healthy, detoxifying, metabolism spiking things in it, and to make it really taste good and still be healthy so you can indulge on this every time you feel hungry. So I'm gonna do this more often. I have my chopped garlic, my ginger root, 1 onion, bicarbonate. I use 1 tablespoon, half a red chili pepper, fresh celery, fresh cilantro. Here I have turmeric and cayenne pepper. I use 2 teaspoons of each. The combination of this is really beneficial for your health. You can look this up in Google and everything. Fresh cinnamon bark. Cinnamon is also a cleansing spice, so this is good. This is actually really fresh. It came straight from Marrakesh because my mom was there on a holiday. She brought it for me. Really sweet. White peppercorns. I use the white one because the black ones can be sharp for the stomach. I read it somewhere, so I stopped using black pepper. And underneath this I have, they call it Jamaican pepper or long Thai. Here in the Netherlands we call it piment. And I have chicken, 2,300 grams in total, or 85 ounces in chicken pieces, and 1 whole chicken, and some sea salt. This is my 4th liter of water. This is about right. I'm gonna bring this to a boil and then put it on low heat for about 2 hours. And then it's gonna be so lovely. I think I'm gonna put half a liter in, a little bit more, so I will completely float the chicken. This is so good. I can't wait till it's finished. Actually, normally I would put in dried dandelion, but I just forgot to get it from the store. Dandelion is great to spike your metabolism and it's almost tasteless. So if you have it, put it in. It's been an hour exactly. It's almost boiling because I can hear the bubbles, as you can see. So it's been on full heat for an hour. I'm gonna turn the chicken around.
Just support celebs. It also influences which films win awards.
There are PR campaigns that can be done to help actors and films garnish award nominations within Hollywood.
Some people might be surprised to know that conservative religious institutions have more influence than any other outside groups.
Christianity is big business. They own media empires. They own publishing empires. They are very, very big.
Okay, it's best if you want to use the kale that you freeze in small portions of the chicken soup and heat it up together with these things, because this takes about 2 or 3 minutes to decompose if you have a hot soup, because it's straight from the freezer.